Just when it seemed like inflation was finally cooling off, the UK economy just threw a curveball. New data shows inflation unexpectedly surged to 3% in January 2025, up from 2.5% in December, and above analysts' predictions. Today we're breaking down why this happened, what it means for your wallet, and why the Bank of England might be hitting pause on rate cuts. Let's dive in. First, the why. Two sectors drove this surprise jump: transport and food prices. Think higher costs for fuel, public transit, and your weekly grocery bill. But dig deeper, and there's more trouble brewing. Core inflation, which strips out volatile items like energy and food, rose to 3.7%. That's a red flag for policymakers because it suggests inflation is becoming stubbornly embedded in the economy. Add to this global pressures, shaky trade relations, and another spike in energy prices. Sound familiar? It's a reminder that the UK doesn't control all the levers here. Global instability can still rock the boat. Now, let's talk about the big question. Will the Bank of England cut rates soon? Just a month ago, economists predicted steady rate cuts in 2025, maybe down to 4% by year end. But with inflation now 50% higher than the bank's 2% target, those plans are in jeopardy. Here's the problem. The bank warned that global energy prices could push inflation to 3.7% later this year. If they cut rates too soon, they risk letting inflation spiral. But if they hold rates high for too long, they could choke off economic growth. It's a lose-lose tightrope walk. The UK Treasury isn't sugarcoating this. They've called the path to lower inflation bumpy, and for good reason. Rising rates hit the UK harder than most countries because our government debt gets costlier fast. Meanwhile, the cost of living crisis isn't over. Prices are still rising faster than wages for many families. Independent economists at NISR predict inflation will average 2.4% this year, still above target. Translation: relief is coming, but not as quickly as hoped. So, what's the bottom line? Inflation's proving stickier than expected, rate cuts are on ice, and families are still feeling the squeeze. For now, all eyes are on the Bank of England's next move. Will they prioritise taming prices or propping up the economy? Let me know your take in the comments. Stay informed, like and subscribe for more breakdowns. Outro music fades with channel logo.